Need to copy text from something right in front of you without switching app? You can now do that directly from your keyboard. In One UI 8.0, the extract text feature in Samsung keyboard is faster than ever. You don't even need to press the shutter button, just point your camera at any text and it grabs it instantly. To do so, open any app where you can type, for example, while writing a note in Samsung Note. Tap the text field to show up the keyboard. Tap the three dots above the keyboard, then tap extract text. A mini camera view will replace your keyboard, so you just need to point it to the text. Once your phone detects the text, you can tap paste to instantly insert all the text and make it stay there. As a note, if you don't tap paste, the text won't be added once you close the preview. And that's it. It's super easy. Now you don't have to take screenshot or type everything manually. Just use your keyboard camera and let it do the work for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.